A lot of people think of AccuWeather and they think of the local AccuWeather news, but a lot of people don't realize just how cutting edge we are.
We've really been a leader in transforming ourselves from a more traditional media company to a digital solution, and it's really through APIs.
The biggest challenge that Apigee helped AccuWeather surmount is reaching individual developers, your startups, your IoT developers, small business that we weren't able to access before.
Before we partnered with Apigee, if developers wanted access to our API, they had to first find it because it was difficult to find, then contact a salesperson at AccuWeather on the phone.
It sometimes could take days or even over a week. Now with the Apigee portal that we have in place, people are basically able to go in there and sign up and within minutes get an API key and get started developing.
Using the AccuWeather developer portal was much easier than we anticipated to be. We were a bunch of beginner developers going into a 24-hour intense coding event. We don't even know what API stands for, but using the AccuWeather developer portal, we built an image to haiku generator based on the mood or tone of the weather in that location. Being able to win a hackathon was the confidence boost that I needed to ensure that I'm doing the right things.
Whether it's a one-person development shop to a few students in college to hackathons that we see, there's innovation everywhere going on in the world. One of the things we didn't do in the past was really monetize our APIs well for the smaller users. And with monetization, we're able to really turn on packages and charge users on a regular basis, input a credit card, simple payment methodology to be able to bring in revenue. And within a year, we've made a very profitable product using that.
It's very important for us to offer packages for developers, including a free package. That's where it makes it easy for the developers, because if I want to try something out and see, do I like this, does it meet my needs, I'd like to do that for free.
And at AccuWeather, we serve nearly 50 billion API requests per day. By having access to analytics, we're able to really get real-time information for what our developers are doing.
But having the ability to show a user their usage pattern, error rates, it allows them to see how their products are doing. It allows us to see what API products are popular and allows us to be able to modify our products using that data.
We have a use case where a client wanted to have access to current conditions by latitude and longitude. We're able to execute several steps inside of the Apigee space to create transformations, to do mashups, and to do other types of content manipulation that don't require writing code and redeploying APIs on the back end.
In the 18 months since we've been using Apigee for our developer portal, we've gone from 0 developers to over 50,000, and AccuWeather wants to keep growing our API developer community. The weather impacts everything you do, and when you have APIs to access that weather data, the options are limitless.